This tutorial is going to cover the Chancellor's Room podium. First of all, please note there's no laptop or built-in computer found on this podium, so you will have to bring your own device if you would like to connect or display from the podium. And let's begin by looking at the cables that you'll find on the Chancellor's Room podium. This VGA cable is what you'll find on the podium in the Chancellor's Room. It is used to transmit video and is always used in conjunction with the audio jack, which is used to transmit sound. Please note when you're connecting this cable to your device, carefully make the connection and make sure none of the pins are damaged or missing or bent, because if they become damaged, the VGA cable no longer works for anyone. The other cable that you will find on the Chancellor's Room podium is this HDMI cable, which is used to transmit both video and audio. Please note that the Chancellor's podium contains screen controls for moving the screen up and down, and also light controls for turning the lights on and off. The Chancellor's Room podium also has its own individual light control and power for your devices. Please note to the right of the display screen, there's also controls for the projector as well as another light switch. The Chancellor's Room conference table also has power and Ethernet connections. There's also a conference telephone which allows you to have conference calls. The table also contains microphones. The Chancellor's Room conference table has 10 power and Ethernet stations located throughout the table. Let's take a look at the Crestron control unit found on the Chancellor's Room podium. The first button, Table, allows you to connect your device to the cables found on the table. The table in the Chancellor's Room has sources which allow you to connect your devices. Here is a VGA cable, which is used in conjunction with the audio jack. The VGA cable will transmit video and the audio jack will transmit sound. There's also an HDMI cable located on the table in the Chancellor's Room, which allows you to transmit both video and audio. If you're using these connections and you wish to display your laptop, please remember to hit Table Source on the control unit that's found on the podium. If you select the podium button, you can connect your source to the cables found on the podium, and whatever is displayed on your laptop will be projected on the screen. The AirPlay button allows you to connect wirelessly through the AirPlay option. If you would like to connect with a Mac device using the AirPlay that's in the room, you will then navigate to the AirPlay icon located on your screen and select the room you're in. I'm in Miguel 307, so I selected the AirPlay for that room. Then a 4-digit code will appear on the projector screen. I will enter that into my Mac laptop, hit OK. Whatever is displayed on my laptop will be projected on the screen in the classroom. If you have a Windows device, go to the AirParrot icon on your laptop. This is what's going to allow you to connect through AirPlay. And once you've double-clicked on the AirParrot icon, a screen will come up and allow you to select the AirPlay for the room you're in. Once you've selected that, a 4-digit code will appear on the screen. You enter that code into your laptop, and whatever is displayed on your laptop will be displayed on the projector screen. The video conference button allows you to connect through Google Chromebox for meetings. The built-in video conference system, Google Chromebox for Meetings, is controlled by this remote, which is also found on the Chancellor's Room podium. Once you select the video conference button on the podium, the camera will automatically turn on. The camera is programmed to the best viewing angle, covering the entire table. And if you just please note that the podium has microphones, so it's a good idea to have the mic mute on unless you are speaking through the microphones. The display mute will make the projector go blank, and the audio mute will cause the sound to be muted on the projector. The volume button allows you to control the volume for your projector or a video that you're watching. Please remember to select the System Off button when you're done using the control unit.